Construct a perpendicular bisector to a given segment. Here we have segment AB and we want to bisect it. And so we take our compass and put it at point A and set the compass length to something greater than half of the length of segment AB. Lock that in place and make an arc above and below. Move the compass to point B and again mark above and below. That gives us 2 points of intersection. So if we line up our ruler with those 2 points and we draw a line through those 2 points, we have a line that is a perpendicular bisector of segment AB. We'll call that L. It intersects segment AB at point C. Point C is the midpoint. And we have segment AC is congruent to segment CB.